Hello students, hope you will be fine and safe. Today our topic is permutations and combination. First of all, we have to understand meaning of these permutations and combinations. Here you can see it is permutations. Reason, it has three types of permutation. It is simply combination, that means simply collection. Permutations means that is arrangement. Meaning of permutation, that is arrangement. It can be arrangement of elements, it can be arrangement of alphabets, it can be arrangement of digits. This arrangement have three types. First one, that is non repeating permutation, in which arrangement, no digit, no alphabet, no element can be repeat. Formula will be, that is n p r, that is factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Here n is total available to us, p means permutation, r that means our requirement. For example, word Monday. As you can see, in this word no letter is repeating. Second one, repeating permutation. Repeating permutation formula is factorial n, factorial p, factorial q, factorial r. Here n total available to us upon elements which are repeating. How many times? If 2 times, then factorial 2. If 3 times, factorial 3. If 5 times, factorial 5. For example, word sister. You can see that word s is repeating 2 times. That means answer will be total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Factorial 6 upon factorial 2. Now, third one, circular permutation. Circular permutation. Circular permutations means like person sitting on a table. Formula is factorial n minus 1 or half factorial n minus 1 when clockwise and anti-clockwise elements remain same. Like a necklace of pearls, you can check pearls clockwise and anti-clockwise, it will remain same. Formula will be half factorial n minus 1. Like persons sitting on a table, formula will be factorial n minus 1. Here is combination. Combination means simply collection. Simply collection. Formula is NCR into factorial n minus r. Collection, like a team. Team means collection of players. But about a straight line, that means collection of 2 points. Triangle, collection of 3 points, that is collection, selection, and that means a combination. Here, first of all, you have to understand the meaning of permutation and a combination. Only then you can solve this topic. Concept clear? Thank you.